Have you ever think about your super curly hair can look better?
Oh yeah, baby.
Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Welcome to my channel. Oh yeah, baby. Have you ever confused about actually how to style the super curly hair? Oh my gosh, what happened to me? Now my hair is super curled, so messy. I have no idea how to style my hair. And I know you have the same problem. I know you are super confused about how to make the curly hair look better and how to look better like Korean idol. Damn, is that really possible? Let's go. Before this, why you need this tutorial? So when you have the messy curly hair, you will look so sleepy. Can you see any direction for this messy curly hair? Okay, I'm gonna say this, no direction. Then your hair will look so crazy. No style. Should I call this Buddha style? Alright, Buddha style is a style too, maybe?
You suck!
Oh yeah, step 1. Hair tutorial.
Let's put your hands up. Rinse or go to shampoo to reset your hair. You know this is so useful to relax the curl. Alright, I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. Just mix it on your hands. Yes. You need to grab your hair like that for apply the hair product to your hair. That's why I really love leave-in conditioner.
Get a hair parting.
Just put your hands to comb a 6 for hair parting. Don't be rushed. Bingo! I'm K-pop idol. I'm K-pop idol. First off, we need to change the hair pattern, curly to wavy.
Let's blow dry for 50%.
Let's blow dry for the roots first. We need to define the direction for this hairstyle. Just like that. Never messy for the hair parting. Hey, blow dry downward for the both sides. It is gonna relax the curly hair right now. Attention everyone, no need to blow dry completely. Listen to me. Listen to daddy. Grab the front hair, then push upward like that. Then apply the high heat, just like that, to create the volume. Wow, the volume is so much better. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Blow job 70%. Oh sorry, blow dry.
Guys, you need the hair diffuser. Use the hair diffuser and blow dry for the ends, just like that. This is really useful for maintaining the wavy pattern. You should get it if you don't have it. Yeah, trust me. So, why you need the hair diffuser? We need to figure out the theory about the hair dryer. If you think you are the genius, just give it. Basically, the wind of the hair dryer is go to the one directions. So which means wind power is stronger. What about diffuser? When you put the diffuser on your hair dryer, the wind just diffuse to so many directions. The wind power just going to softer, which means when you use the hair dryer with the hair diffuser, it will not destroy the curl pattern or the wavy pattern. Honestly, I only take 2 to 3 minutes to finish the blow dry. You wanna know how to do this hair pattern? Let's go! You need a soft wax. Not too much, just like that is fine. Just mix it on your hands. Make sure that both hands get the hair product. Never forget, grab the hair for apply the hair product. Guys, never skip the back. I know you can't see the back, but the people can see your back. Guys, this is so important. Never let the curly hair look messy when you style the curly hair. So after that, we need to do the S-curl pattern. And never forget, your finger is the magic brush. When you feel the both side hair is too long, just push the hair to the top of the ear. We need the S-curl pattern for the other side too. Honestly, it is not so hard to do this hairstyle. Everything just finger work. Yeah. Just push it to the top of the ear, just like that. Guys, it's so easy, right? Alright mate, I told you, never skip the back. Turn around, get another mirror to do the mirror reflection, then you can see the back. If you want to know what is the mirror reflection, just go to watch this video. You can add more volume for the crown area when you do like that. Guys, just always use your hands to control your hair, to add more volume and the texture. As a hairdresser, I suggest you should do it nice and clean. That's why both sides slightly go backward. Finally, nice and clean S-curl with the volume. Oh, 이거 남자 잘생겼다.
Oh my god, this guy is so handsome.
Never forget to use the hairspray to make sure that your hairstyle stay up all day. So now you need to practice, and I'm pretty sure when you're watching these videos and follow my step, you will totally change different. Everyone can be better. Be a better me. Wait, go ask your hairdresser to do the best haircuts for you. Because if you don't get the right haircut, then you will never do your target hairstyle. And if you guys want to get a hair transformation from me, just type a message to my team. You can make a salon appointment or the personal online class. Guys, just comment down below, share with us about your experience for style your curly hair. Finally, if you want to learn more curly hairstyle, maybe you will love it. Yes, they are really useful. Let me save your life. Honestly, bro, this hairstyle is so attractive and girls like it. Yeah, people like it. 阿婆都會話你靚仔啊。So, if you love these videos and if you think these videos just save your life, yeah, just support my channel, subscribe my channel, just share with your friends, your family, let my videos just save the world. See you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace.